Hi everyone, this is the Math 10C Polynomials review, and this is written response 11. It says find the area, find an expression for the area of the shaded region in the following diagram. Okay, here we go. All right, I made this nice and big so that you could see everything here. Now, I want an expression for the shaded area, and now notice what I did with this little hole right here. It's kind of off-centered here a little bit, so you're not trying to like cut this into pieces here. We want the method here to be more obvious to you. What we're going to do here is take the area of this entire large rectangle and then subtract the area of this little piece right here. So what I got to do first is get the area of the large triangle, including this section right here, and that's just going to be the length times the width. So 3x minus 1 times 2x plus 5. So let's come over here and do that. So the area, let's say, of the large triangle is going to be 3x minus 1 times 2x plus 5. Okay, and remember when we're multiplying binomials here, we distribute each term to each term. So this will end up being 6x squared plus 15x minus 2x minus 5. Now, the two middle terms here are always going to be, when it looks like this, when it's in this kind of a form, those are always going to have, are going to be like terms. So we can add those together. So this will be 6x squared, what is that going to be, plus 13x minus 5. So that's an expression for the area of the whole thing. Now what we got to do is we got to get rid of the area of that small white rectangle there. So that's going to be 2x minus 6 times x plus 4. So let's come over here, find the area of the small rectangle. So 2x minus 6 x plus 4 is going to be 2x squared plus 8x minus 6x minus 24. Okay? And now, again, the two middle terms are like terms. We're going to put those together. So 2x squared, 8x minus 6 will be plus 2x minus 24. Good. Now, to get the area of just the shaded region, the dark gray, I got to take the whole area and subtract this one. So we'll take the area of the large triangle. So the area here of the shaded will be the large area, 6x squared plus 13x minus 5. Okay, and we will subtract from that the area of the smaller rectangle. Now, I got to put this in brackets because I'm subtracting this entire expression, not just the first term, the whole thing. So 2x squared plus 2x minus 24. Now, I tend to do this fairly quickly here because I already know that I can only subtract like terms. So this is going to be 6x squared minus what's inside the 2x squared. Okay, well, that'll give me 4x squared. Then I'm going to have to subtract what we would call the linear terms, the ones that have a degree of 1. So 13x minus 2x get me positive 11x. Okay, then I'm going to subtract the constants. Negative 5 minus negative 24. Now, don't get caught in this. You know how to handle this. I'm subtracting a negative, okay? Now, the assumption is, though, be aware of this, the assumption is that most of you will make a mistake here, that you have a very difficult time handling negatives, so please be very, very deliberate when you're working with negatives. Negative 5 minus negative 24 means negative 5 plus 24, okay, or positive 19. So the expression that we're looking for here is 4x squared plus 11x plus 19.